Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday. It is October 11th, and we're going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar. Starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course. So, anyways, on the Aussie dollar monthly time frame, I mean, overall, I've been saying that this is going to go up for a wave Y, and honestly, I still kind of believe that that is the case. Now, it could possibly keep going down, and luckily, we are looking for sorts on sort of time frames. But to me, this monthly time frame still makes me think that this is going to go up and make a wave Y. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, it has not broken structure to the downside, so this move down still could end up being a correction to this last wave up. We got our Fibonacci retracement out here. We're going to be looking for the end of this move down on shorter time frames, and then hopefully start looking for longs. Going down to the daily time frame. Even on the daily time frame, I mean, technically we do have a break of structure right here, but that only proves to me that this wave from here to here is over. Now, there is a pretty good chance that this is a 1 or 2, and then it goes down and makes a 3, 4, 5. And luckily, if it does that, that's not going to be a big deal to me because I'll be looking for shorts anyways. But at the same time, this could end up doing something like this and continuing back up. So we definitely need to keep an eye on structure, keep an eye on price, and see what kind of pattern it makes over the coming weeks. Going down to that 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, this is definitely a downtrend, as you can see, and really not a whole lot of updates this week because there has been no real price action. Price is still in a downtrend. There's still no break of structure to the upside. Until we actually get a break of structure to the upside, I would definitely still be looking for shorts. There's really nothing stopping this thing from continuing to go down. Eventually, it probably will end the wave A or 1, and eventually it probably will start a move to the upside, which will be a correction to this move down for a B or a 2. But no signs of that happening yet, so I will definitely still be looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, no break of structure means that I'm definitely still looking for shorts. It's been a very slow week. I mean, Monday was a pretty good day, but really the dollar pairs have been extremely sideways this week, even with the CPI inflation data that we had this week. So, I mean, like I said, I'm still looking for shorts. I honestly would not be surprised if this was an ABC correction and it just kept on going down. I will be doing nothing but looking for shorts until we get a break of structure to the upside, which we definitely do not have as of yet. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.